Steam on the window, bare feet on tile. You laugh at the recipe, freestyling the style. Oh yeah, little bit of this, too much of that. We taste and we talk over a cutting board map. Cooking is the method, every pinch, every stir. Making up a language only used by us here. Cooking is the method, turn the day into spice.